Have you ever wondered what it looks like inside a black hole and what would happen if you fell into one? That's exactly what we explain in today's video. Enjoy! Black holes, probably the most fascinating objects in our universe, but what makes these holes so interesting? Black holes have always been considered a mysterious object that constantly sucks every form of matter into itself, and with its gravitational pull, ensures that not even light can leave the hole. As we know, more massive objects are the cause of higher gravity. With black holes, on the other hand, the mass is concentrated in an extremely small volume, which creates such incredibly strong gravity that even time is bent so much that perhaps a few hours pass inside the hole. While years have passed on Earth, these monstrous objects live for an unimaginably long time and are always created when the neutrons of a massive star can no longer withstand the gravitational pressure, and the star implodes or the core of the star collapses, creating a black hole. One of these holes with the mass of the Sun, for example, would have a diameter of only 60 kilometers and would rotate at 90% of the speed of light. Because of this, their so-called accretion disk is forming itself around the hole, in which the matter generates heat energy and therefore light through extreme friction. Even before you enter the black hole, in the so-called photon sphere, you would find a curious hall of mirrors in which you see yourself reflected everywhere. This is because the light circling around the black hole travels backwards around the hole, and this ensures that you see the back of your head in front of you. But the question still remains as to what would happen if you were to fall into a black hole. We cannot observe exactly what is really behind the event horizon of these holes, but we can still know how mass behaves in them. Suppose you were to fall through a black hole. First, you would get spaghetti-tuned, which means that you would be stretched out like a thread, until you finally become the size of a particle and are also considered part of the accretion disk around the black hole. In short, you would die and never come into contact with the singularity, representing the infinite density. However, if you were to fall through a supermassive black hole, such as a quasar, things would look a little different. Here you would fall until even the universe only appears to you as a small, bright dot. Whenever you move inside the black hole, you would fall even faster. To slow down your fall, you would have to do exactly nothing. Time and space are also so curved here that time travel would theoretically be possible. After falling and falling, you now have reached the end of your journey. The further you fall, the higher the pressure becomes, until you are finally completely crushed by the pressure. Even for today, the black holes we know of remain a mystery where all the laws of nature break down. Perhaps we as humanity will be able to solve the mystery of the black holes one day. If you liked the video, I would always appreciate a like, a comment, or a subscription. That was it from my side. Until next time.